자, 얘 표정 봐. 표정 봐. This what are you doing? Editing?
Editing, Saturn.
Are you hungry?
Little bit.
What time is it now?
It's 11:54.
What do you think about today? Mika will cook for us.
Mika, you will cook for us?
Last night we bought some fish, right?
Ne.
What kind of fish we bought?
Tilapia.
Tilapia? Denise, do you like tilapia?
A little bit.
Little bit? Your favorite fish is tilapia, right?
Yeah. Because that's me.
Okay.
I'm the tilapia.
Will you cook for us? Looks like tilapia?
I look like tilapia.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go. 가자.
자, 오늘은 미카가 저희를 위해 점심을 만들어 주기로 했습니다.
사장님, 한국에 생선 있어요?
있어? 없어. I don't know. tilapia. 이게 틸라피아라는 생선인데요. 이게 한국에 있는지 모르겠네요. 비슷한 생선이. 제가 생선에 대해서 잘 몰라서. What will you cook for us?
I think it
What's
is
the name of the food?
It's like escabeche. Cabeche.
Escabeche?
Yeah.
You know? Denise? You don't know?
Escabeche.
I think better than you.
I will cook you fried everything.
Yeah. Fried everything. 사장님, 어떤 생선 좋아해요?
나는 pussy.
Pusit?
Squid.
I like.
Denise, what's your favorite fish?
I don't like fish. I don't like fish. I know you. We'll fry the tilapia.
이렇게 해서 이렇게 보여줘. 이렇게 보여줘야지. tilapia.
We'll fry the tilapia.
과연 미카가 요리를 제대로 할 수 있을까요? 미카, sometimes did you cook for your family or?
To my parents?
Oh.
To my sisters?
Oh right.
Yeah.
Really?
I'm a good, daughter.
Good daughter.
I'm a good sister.
Really? You are good employees?
Of course.
I don't think so.
왜요? 왜요?
자,
Stable.
이게 맛있을까? 맛있어?
맛있어요.
Really?
Of course. I'm the one who cook.
이야, 이거 할 줄 알아?
It's hard.
This, you can?
You try.
Good job, Mika. I'm so proud of you.
Why?
This.
Aja, fighting.
Need to remove.
Why are you removing that, Mika?
Because it's dirty. Let's go.
자,
Basic.
basic. 자,
Basic. What will I do first?
You remove
basic
the.
no?
Yeah, you remove the. No, the inside.
seryoso. Ayoko para sa akin!
야, 해봐.
No!
자,
No!
해봐. try.
Why are
It's
you
okay.
doing this to me?
try. Yeah, you have to know.
Can I just...
자, 얘 표정 봐. 표정 봐. Oh, good.
Good.
Wait, start to remove.
Okay na, from the outside.
밑간을 좀 하고. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
오케이. 가자.
Huwag mo ibagsak ha pag ano kasi di ka may...
가자.
Natatakot ako sa sinasabi mo, kuya.
Huwag mo ibagsak. Kailangan ano, naka... Sige,
Okay.
Okay, don't be fast. Be careful. Okay.
I'm scared.
튀기는 데만 엄청 오래 걸리네.
Now let's
Let's
cook
make a
for the
sauce.
sauce.
Whose recipe? Your mom?
That's my mom's recipe.
Your mom's
Her
recipe.
specialty.
이따가 뭐 하는 거야?
Cornstarch.
콘스타치? 이따가 이거 뭐야?
Oyster sauce.
오이스터 소스? 이따 맛있어? 솔티?
Salty.
맛을 보는 미카. 마스라? 오, really? 뭐.
Yeah, Mika.
Yeah, finally done.
Done.
What's food?
Escabeching tilapia. Let's
So this is the first time I'm gonna try this Mika's cooking. Mika.
Is it delicious? Where?
Sarap.
Seriously?
It's delicious.
I'm happy.
I'm proud of her. You want to taste Sajangnim?
You rate it 1 to 10.
Wait.
11. Ah. Support.
I will try. 진짜 리얼리 맛을 한번 보면
Not bad.
Good job, Mika.
Of course, it's not bad.
맛있어. 다음에는 드니스가 저희에게 음식을 만들어 주는 걸로. 오케이?
No.
Next time, will you cook
No.
for us?
Next time.
Egg fry?
Next time. Egg fry?
Yeah, fried egg.
Fish
What
fry?
else? Yeah.
Bacon fry?
자, 그럼 오늘은 여기까지.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다.
또 만나요.